you can create the Shopify theme level A/B testing. It's pretty simple. In a matter of minutes, you can make your experience live and decide, okay, in what theme, which theme is working better for you guys. The entire funnel analysis you can go on to. Okay. Yeah, let's get started. Okay. The first step, just go and search custom fit Shopify A/B testing in the Google thing. It'll take you to the Shopify, custom fits apps over there. Right? Go to the custom fit app into the Shopify store and just install the app. It's one click thing, right? That's it about all the integration, right? Once you install, when you click on the app, it will directly take you to the dashboard. Now let's go and create one experience. Okay, experience is nothing but here we are trying to tell that, look, I want to personalize or A/B test, for this segment of audience or for this percentage of my audience and all, right? So let me create one experience. Okay. Now let's go and like in this case, Shopify theme level A/B testing is for entire website, right? Not for specific pages. So you just select all pages, right, and click on add, right? Now let's create a variation. Let's say I'm calling V2 theme or theme B as my variation. Okay, we call behavior. Okay. Now let's go click on the visual editor. The moment when you click on visual editor, your entire page open in a visually editable way, right? Inside that, you have the option to select, okay, which theme you want to showcase to this segment of audience, right? So let it come over here. Right now, you see, if I go to this thing, right, the portion, under that thing, you will find there are a bunch of different options. Let me, for this video, I will select the theme level A/B test. Right, the moment you click on the theme level A/B test, it starts loading you your themes, whatever you have on your Shopify dashboard. Like for example, if I go to my Shopify dashboard, you see I have a bunch of the themes here. This is my current theme, which is a Sense theme, and this is my one of the new theme which I want to A/B test against with. Okay, so let me go back to the editor. When I save this thing, right, it will start showing me all the things, right? So assume that I'm selecting this particular theme. Right, if you see here, it also says that, okay, this particular theme ID and it's still unpublished, right? Cool. As simple as it. Let me just save the changes and finalize and exit from here. Done, right? This is all your setup about the theme level A/B testing, right? The next step is, let's go and decide the rollout portion, right? Rollout means what percentage of audience should see this particular theme, or okay, how or what specific segment of this thing, right? For example, okay, when I go to the rollout over here, under the rollout, let me pick the percentage rollout, right? Here I can go and decide, okay, how should be the percentage thing. I can say the 90%, 10%, or I can even say the 10%, 10%, right? So that, okay, other 80% won't fall into this experiment at all. So the data will be between just these two same set of the percentage audiences, right? Or I can say 50-50 and all, right? This is for your entire traffic. Assume that you don't want to do the theme level A/B testing for the entire traffic, but for a segment of audience, right? Then you make it as a no rollout and go to the wizard segments. Okay, basically add rules over here, right? Here, if you see, CustomFit gives a in-depth, rule selection or segment selection, where you can create audience segment based on various parameters. It can be your campaign parameter, new versus repeat lister, devices, technology, and the list goes on, right? For a simple reason, okay, let's go and select, okay, say campaign parameter. Say the UTM campaign is one of just theme, something I'm writing. Okay, I can also add multiple conditions. However, matching these conditions, I'm deciding which variation I want to show them. I want to show them the default, theme B, or I can do a percentage rollout, right? So where I want to split and the way I want. Let's say I'm testing 50-50 split over here, right? Let me just go and save it out. Okay. So what we did the rollout portion, right, for that segment of audience. Now, instead of saying, let me do, for the entire audience only for this thing, let's say I want to do for the entire audience, let's say 50-50. Okay, let me save it. Okay, the next step is, if you want to go and add the goals and all, right? So whenever you're doing A/B testing, it's necessary for you to go and add various goals to test the outcomes against, right? So for example, when I click on the goals, so you'll find various goals. You can go and add it up. Since Shopify, CustomFit is natively integrated with Shopify, there are so many goals you can go and add it out. But for example, say I want to add ATC as my goal, right? I'll directly go and select the event type as Shopify. Okay, so here is my domain thing, and then I will go and say product added to cart as my goal, right? If I want, I can even further add the rules telling that, hey, I want to look out only for a specific product ID in this ATC thing, or you have various ways to go and check it out, right? For this demo, let me just make it very simple. And if you see, the goal evaluation type is what, it provides bunch of options. One thing is unique visitors. It means how many unique people did the ATC thing, how many total people did the ATC, or if you want to add, based on any of the event value, if you want to go and operate it out, even that thing is also can be possible. And how many total price or what's the quantity and all, right? For this demo, let me keep it as a unique thing, right? Like this, you can go and add various goals. Say I want to add a revenue goal as a thing, right? Let me just go and add revenue goal. Let me select Shopify. Let me select she and her. And then let me say that product checkout completed. Right, I can say how many people completed the checkout, or say I want to add the revenue. I will just go to the event property, and I will select. Okay, I want to sum the each order what got placed. Right, want to sum based on the total product price. Right, like this, you can go and create various goal funnel thing, and also it integrates with the other platforms like GA4, a bunch of the other platforms like Microsoft Clarity. So you can directly, if your current source of truth is a GA4 thing, you cannot directly see the results right onto the GA4 itself, right? Whether it's a GA4, Microsoft Clarity, or whether it's a Mixpanel, Amplitude, Heap, and all those things, you can see the results right there, right? So, but anyways, let's go back to the experience what we created and let's put it on. Okay. The moment I power on this thing, the experience goes live. Okay. When I power it off, it goes off. Right. Let's do a quick live check. Okay. Let me again open incognito window. She. If you see, I have fallen in this particular variation, right? Say that's the reason I'm seeing this thing, right? And once you fall into that particular theme, you will always see the same thing. Like for example, next time when I even directly go this thing, right? I'm seeing this new theme, right? So yeah, that's how. And for 50% of audience, they will be remaining in the current theme only, right? Yeah, it's that simple. If you go to the goals, you will see all these things that again, how many unique visitors visited and how many people achieved each of those goals and all, right? Yeah, that's the thing. Feel free to connect to the team if you want a personalized demo on this thing, and we can take you through the platform. And also, we provide 14-day engaged pilot for free. It's very simple to use. Get started with no dev help and all. It comes with a lot of functionalities. But yeah, as I showed you, right, Shopify theme level A/B testing is just a couple of minutes, like how I showed you a live demo on the website, right? So yeah, that's simple. Have a great day.